So today's escaped animal is a little bit fishy, and here to take care of this one is Hannah. Now she primarily does our guest services, but a little known fact about Hannah is she's actually a trained marine biologist. So no better person to answer our clownfish questions today than Hannah.
Hey Junior Zookeepers, so who am I talking to today?
Evan. My name is Levi. My name is Alexis.
Thanks so much for finding our clownfish. Where was he?
We found the clownfish at Apron Strings.
Congratulations on finding our clownfish. Do you have any questions about them?
What do they eat?
So clownfish live in anemones, and the anemones actually collect food on them, and the clownfish eat the food that's on the anemones.
I'd like to know, where do they live?
So clownfish live in reefs all around the world. They live inside of anemones. The reason that the clownfish aren't stung by the anemones like all of their predators are is because they rub up against the anemones and get the stinging cells on them. They build up an immunity, kind of like how a flu shot works.
I would like to know, I know clownfish have orange and white stripes, and I know most clownfish have orange and white stripes, but what other colors do they have?
So clownfish are most often seen in orange. You probably saw them in Finding Nemo that way, but they also come in a bunch of other colors. The most common would probably be yellow, black, or orange. The biggest thing about the clownfish is they want to be similar to their environment. So if you're going to be a black clownfish in the middle of a red anemone, that's not really very advantageous.
How long do they live?
Clownfish generally live about 6 years. They could live a little bit longer, up to 10.
I would like to know, how do you know a clownfish is a boy or a girl?
Clownfish are a little bit different than the other animals that we've talked about. They actually all start out as boys. Once one gets larger than all the rest, that one becomes a girl. When that girl disappears, the next largest boy becomes a girl. Thank you so much for your questions, you guys.